Hello and welcome to another update video about Uniswap. Has been requested by some of our channel members. Uniswap, nothing unusual and nothing broke, nothing that is in any way unexpected. So again, you know, when the chart is just playing out, there's actually no need for an update. It's just playing out this wave count. It is important to understand that this Elliott Wave triangle here that we have on the chart is basically now technically complete, can still go a little higher, this E wave, but if we're really dealing here with a triangle in wave 4, then one more wave 5 low is definitely on the table. Not unlikely as well, because if you remember what we said, Bitcoin's pullback is due. I mean, it's very hard to say, okay, if Bitcoin does this, then other coins do that. That can happen. That is often the case, but they move in different wave degrees. Here, however, let's say Bitcoin does a wave 2 pullback, and you will know that if you watch the Bitcoin videos, then let's say it does a 20% pullback. What do you think Uniswap will do? Uniswap could make actually that one more low. It's going to be very interesting. That move down will tell us a lot. If it's not making a lower low, then it will be setting up for something more bullish. But at the moment, this is a very, very textbook Elliott Wave triangle on the Uniswap chart. So as long as the C wave high is not broken to the upside, and that's actually, I need to adjust that slightly, that's actually at $6.71, the focus can be on lower. But, you know, again, in the current market condition, I would be very careful with shorting anything or so. I'm just highlighting, you know, we have tons of bullish setups. We had so many good setups in recent days and weeks. Just recently, Sandbox, we had LDO. We had BNB reacted to its support areas. We had Rune. We had Aave. There's no point focusing on a chart that doesn't show us a clearly bullish setup. It can always become more bullish. And the first signal that it would become more bullish is a break above $6.71. And if it then breaks above $10.74, it would even break the resistance for wave 4. Because what could happen? Even if we invalidate the triangle, this could still be a wave 4, which would become less likely with a break above $10.74. But also then it would just have to be a diagonal structure. So honestly, I can add here something. Well, but again, it's such a strange pattern. You know, this would have to be a 1-2 setup and it came down to low. Then this would also have to be some kind of a 1-2. Very, very strange. So I'm not happy to count this in any bullish way. It is of course possible, but we should really focus on what's probable, not what's possible. I'd be very careful with any long trades here. I mean, surely it can happen, but I don't see a clearly bullish setup anyway at the moment, right? The only way that I would say, okay, this could be bullish is if it finished as a so-called truncation, somewhere here, either here, and is now starting to build a new impulse from scratch. Or if this move up here was a wave 1, this here was a wave 2, then we are moving up in a wave 3. So 1, 2, there would be a wave 3, but I will only believe that above $10.74, then this is an A, B, C structure in wave 3, but it should really go now, then a 4, and then a 5, and then we have 5 waves up. But the structure just, you just have to be leaning towards maybe a triangle or a flat structure, which would allow the price still a little higher. But above the 50% FIB level, as I said, we would have to focus on above 10.74. We have to focus on something more bullish, like a diagonal. But then there are diagonals which seem to be a little bit more probable on other charts. So even if this turns into a triangle, I don't see a very clear setup for it right now. And I'd rather to focus on clearer charts right now. That's my update about Uni. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.